Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore structured data errors detected by Google, complete guide step by step clearly. In this video, we will guide you through the process of restoring structured data errors detected by Google. Start by logging into your Google Search Console account. Navigate to the Enhancements section in the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find a list of structured data types that Google has identified. Click on the specific structured data type that reports errors. Review the list of errors displayed on the right. Take note of the specific issues mentioned for each item. For each error, click on it to get more details. Read the suggested fixes provided by Google. Open your website's code or content management system to address the identified errors. Locate the sections of code that correspond to the errors. Make the necessary adjustments according to the guidelines provided by Google. Ensure that your structured data markup follows the correct syntax and format. After making changes, test your structured data using Google's Rich Results Test tool. Enter the URL of the page you modified and click Test URL. Review the results to ensure that the errors have been resolved. If the errors appear to be fixed, go back to Google Search Console. Click on the Validate Fix button for the structured data type. Google will begin processing your request, which may take a few days. Monitor the validation status to ensure your changes are recognized. Keep an eye on your Search Console for any new errors that may arise. Regularly check and optimize your structured data to improve your site's performance. By following these steps, you can effectively restore structured data errors detected by Google. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.